How to add stickers, emojis and GIFs in VEED. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, click on the Elements option in the left-hand menu. Here you will find categories for stickers, emojis and GIFs. Browse through the options and select the ones you want to add to your video. Click on a sticker, emoji or GIF to insert it, then drag it to position it anywhere on the screen. You can resize, rotate and adjust the duration of each element to appear at the right moment in your video. VEED also allows you to layer multiple stickers or GIFs and combine them with other elements like text, transitions and music to create a fun and engaging final video. Preview your video to make sure all stickers, emojis and GIFs are placed perfectly. Now you know how to add stickers, emojis and GIFs in VEED. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.